See mallards further up. There's a mallard there. Come on then, mate. So how are you doing? Still keep him on the lead down here. And of course, as the water levels drop throughout the summer, this area becomes nice, soft, and able for wading birds to, well, all birds, but especially wading birds. We get the snipes come in, the sandpipers come in from the coast, and they've got those evolved beaks to be able to get into sand and soft mud and get down deep for the invertebrates down there so they can eat. Some nice big chunks of stone. And these are the willow trees that come round this far edge, and they're all round the edges there, and they're just naturally grown up. And willows are the European tree especially that is quite happy with its roots in water, can be submerged in water for many, many months and still grow nicely. And a similar tree on the edges of salt water in the sea will be mangroves. And mangrove forests are some of the most lush and eco-friendly, eco-biodiverse woodlands in the world. But these are our mangroves, I guess. The willows. So I'm hoping that this forest further back here does get taken down, this one at the back, and they replant it up with broadleaf trees, because there's some poor quality trees at the back here. There's Leylandii, which are a big hedging style tree, and they shade out other trees. That's one there, poor quality. Any tree is better than no tree, definitely. But yeah, the Leylandii especially. There's another one there. The ones that I've got in my garden, and I've left a couple of them to grow tall, and I've got a small Leylandii hedge. So they do provide a really good, any hedge provides a really good cover for nesting birds.